back to Rip and Flip Cards. This is Brendan speaking. Today we're going to be opening 6 packs out of the Carry On His Will One Piece trading card game, OP-13, English version. Let's get cracking. Cool, Beepo. The Empty Throne Room. Very good. Marshall D. Teach. Koala. Ooh. A Celestial Dragon. Very cool. Now Frankie. Boa Sansonia. Neka Mamushi. I like him. The old Tony Chopper, my favourite player, as you know. Call him a player, but you know what I mean. Oh, Goldie Roger. That's a nice pickup. Oh, we've got an S Snake, which is really Boa. And Vista. Nice looking card. Nice looking card. Oh, I do dislike how these packs don't tear as easy as the sports card packs. That's just the way it goes, I guess. It's frustrating, but yeah, that's how they do it. Okay. Ooh, Fossa. It's a nice looking card. Atmatsuki Toki. York. Real Charlie Brown vibes on York. Gum Gum Snake Shot. I'm talking as in how it's been drawn. Shaka. On. Ooh, so this must be giving us a few more of the Celestial Dragons. Saint Jalmac. Edison. Another one of Vegapunk's personas. Saint Charles. Meteor Fist. It's my first red card. Probably should put that in with the blacks. Oh, Buggy when he was a boy with Gold D. Roger. Nice. Ooh, look at that. That's what you want to say. I wanted. That's really cool. Very happy with that card. Going to put that into at least a sleeve initially, and we'll find out if that's got any value to it whatsoever, but I love that card. That was so cool. Haven't seen one of those wanted posters previously in all my pack openings, So that is an absolute bonus. Oh, wish I could get these packets to open. The battle. Okay. One of the Whitebeard Pirates, Shirel. There's the blues. Have I been stacking blues on blacks, or... Ah, that's what I did. I think I've gone the yellows on the blues. Duffer that I am. And that can go there. Curly to Dan. Brooke. Rakayu. Lord of the Coast. Not 100% sure I'm a fan of it. It's one of the few cards that looks not quite like they've put in the effort. Little Oars Jr. Paper art after image. Okay. Izo. Crocus. Atlas, another one of Vegapunk's personalities, so we've got 3 of them so far. Ooh, we've got the evil bugger, Saint J. Garcia Saturn. Very, very evil. And then you've got the other side of the coin, Otama. Awesome young lady. Okay. Hera. Laura Jackson. Higuma. Koala. Morgans. Portuguese de Rouge. Oh, so we've got a... Didn't think they'd be doing a card with her on it. Well, Gold D. Rogers' lady friend who gave birth to Ace. Douglas Bullet. Terry Giltio. Ooh, Gum Gum Elephant Gun. Emu. Ooh, the most evil of the evil celestial dragons. Scooper Gaben. Oh, and Monkey D. Garp when he was a young fella. Very cool. Very cool. Napoleon! Big Mama's hat. Purple. Saint Roswald. Marshall D. Teach. Got him earlier. Brilliant Punk. Porio Avankov. Kazuki Monomasuki. I know the character, he's awesome, but yeah, saying his surname, I'm just not so good. Kobe. Oh. Wapo. Flamenco. Jewelry Bonnie. Oh, look at that's alright. That's a ripper. That's a really good one. I like that one. Very, very cool. And Stussy. Another nice card. Okay, last pack of this opening. The empty throne again. And Curly Dedan again. There's our Vegapunk. Beepo. He's a nice character. The world's equilibrium cannot be maintained forever. Haruto. Inu Arashi. One of the minks. Gum Gatlin Gun. Helmeppo. Oops. You shouldn't be there. Why should be there? Helmeppo. Inazuma. Oh, look at that. Gum Dawn Stamp. A young Shanks with both his arms. Very nice. Well, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, it looks like I got some nice cards. This one intrigues me the most. I'm pretty sure it won't have much value, but boy oh boy, it's a nice looking card. Very impressed by it all, so excellent. Anyway, thank you, and we'll talk soon. Bye.